Welcome RE Buddies. Korabo here from RE Exam Buddy, and in this video I will be introducing topic 2 of the RE5 exam, the duties and powers of the FAIS Ombud. In the context of the FAIS Act, a complaint is deemed to have arisen when a client suffers a financial loss as a direct result of an action or omission on the part of the financial service provider, FSP. If the FSP is responsible for the loss, the matter is referred to the FAIS Ombud, while if the loss is attributable to the product supplier, it is referred to the relevant sectoral ombud. To keep the process moving smoothly, the FSP must respond to the complaint within 3 weeks of receiving it and acknowledge its receipt by the client. There are specific conditions that need to be met for a complaint to arise. These include the following. Should a complaint made to the FSP fail to be resolved within 6 weeks, the complainant may escalate the matter further. For the complaint to proceed, it must fall within the purview of the FAIS Act and conform to the rules and regulations set out by the FAIS Ombud. The alleged offense by the FSP must have occurred after the FAIS Ombud rules came into effect in 2004. Unless agreed upon otherwise, the loss incurred by the complainant should not exceed 800,000 rand, with the only exceptions being 1. If the complainant voluntarily forfeits any amount above 800,000 rand, or 2. If the respondent, i.e., the FSP, consents to this condition in writing. In this context, the complainant refers to the client who has incurred the loss, and the respondent pertains to the FSP against whom the complaint has been lodged. The FAIS Ombud may dismiss a complaint in the following instances. If a complaint is deemed to have no reasonable chance of succeeding, it will not be pursued any further. If the respondent has made a fair offer which is still available for the complainant to accept, the matter may be considered resolved without the need for further intervention. If a matter has already been deliberated upon by the FAIS Ombud, it cannot be revisited unless compelling new evidence or circumstances come to light. If the crux of a complaint has already been determined by a court of law, the matter will not be reconsidered by the FAIS Ombud. If the subject matter of a complaint is currently the subject of court proceedings, the FAIS Ombud will not intervene until the legal proceedings have been concluded. If the nature of the complaint falls outside the scope of what the FAIS Ombud can assist with, it will not be pursued any further by the Ombud. Thanks for watching. If you found value in the way the slides in this video were presented, please check out the link in the video description below to our RE5 study pack, which includes, amongst lots of other helpful resources, our full RE5 study slide pack.